You can find your real choke point in an afternoon with a whiteboard and no software at all. Here is how. Pick one job that completed last month. A normal one, not your best or your worst. Now draw every step it went through, from the moment the customer first made contact to the day the invoice was paid. Be honest about the steps that are not written down anywhere. Someone remembering to ring back. A text between two staff. A note on a whiteboard that got wiped. Now go back along the line and mark two things. Every point where the job waited on someone, and every point where the same information got entered a second time. Those marks are your choke points. Most businesses find between 3 and 6. Then ask one question of each. If this stopped happening tomorrow, what would change? The one with the biggest answer is where to start. Do not fix all of them. Pick one, fix it, and let it run a fortnight before you touch anything else. The discipline of leaving the others alone is what makes the first one stick. Book your free AI business audit.